Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear. Tap on voice typing and click on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Now tap on visible microphone icon. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!